Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Welcome back to part 2 of Ikona. Using the English translation, let's begin with the hands. Starting with your vamp, right and left. We are your guests, both high and wave down the sides to outline yourself. At kona, left up, right touch and wave down 4 times to show the land. By invitation, right at eye, left touch and out, and reverse, left at eye, right touch and out. With love, embrace, for us, open out, and end with your vamp, right and left. Now let's do the hands with the feet in slow motion together. We will dance this verse 3 times through. Each time I will count and give you foot prompts. We will start with 4 kaholo and learn a quarter turn to the right and left, dancing an ihope, which means to go back, as well as imua, to come forward. Vamp, right and left. 4 kaholo and right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, and left. Now turn your body slightly to the right, kaholo back, which is called ihope. Ihope on the left. Now come back forward on the right. This is a imua. And kaholo left. Repeat the vamp. And let's try that again. Kaholo and right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, ihope, right, 2, 3, ihope, left, 2, 3, imua, forward, right, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4, vamp, 2, 3, one last time, 4 kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, ihope, back, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, imua, forward, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4, vamp, right and left. Now let's put them together in real time.